इस सिलसिले को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मोहम्मद आसिफ कानपुरी ये अंग्रेजी में आपके सामने तकरीर पेश करेंगे। मोहम्मद आसिफ कानपुरी।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला नबिय्यिही मुहम्मद सय्यिदिल मुरसलीन व अला आलिही व सहबिही अजमाइन। अम्मा बाद फअऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। इन्नल्लज़ीना आमनू व अमिलुस सालिहाति व अक़ामुस सलाता व आतवुज़ ज़काता लहुम अज्रुहुम इंद रब्बिहिम व ला खौफुन अलैहिम व ला हुम यहज़नून। May praise be to Allah, the Creator of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon His Prophet Muhammad, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Today, I want to have the honor of speaking some humble words on the importance of Salah. Respected Muslim brothers, Salah means prayer. While in Islam it is set of action and mode of worshipping Allah. Salah is the second tenth of Islam after Iman. Every believer has worship Allah the 5 times a day. The 5 times Salah are called Fajr, Zuhr, Asr, Maghrib and Isha. Salah is the most fundamental practice of Islam. It is obligatory every Muslim man and woman. Dear audience, Salah is the most important practice in Islam. It was greatly emphasized by the Quran and Hadith. It was repeated, mentioning in the Quran, and mostly it is combined with Iman. Salah is in fact the manifestation of Iman. It means total submission of man to Allah. In Salah, a slave folds his hand before Allah in humility and bows down before Him. He puts his forehead on ground before Allah and chants His greatness and glory. Among all the Islamic practice, Salah finds the maximum mention in the Quran. The Quran in different style shed light on the importance of Islam. The Hadith also promise great reward for being punctual, and they give severance warning against missing and neglecting Salah. One Hadith describes Salah as the column of Islam. The structure of Islam is based upon Salah. So, one who will guard Salah, he will be automatically acting upon all orders of Sharia. So, whoever will live for Salah, Allah is not responsible of him. Dear audience, Salah teaches us to be disciplined and punctual. It wants us to live social and collective life. Salah infuses discipline to us and trains us to follow the commandment of Allah in total submission. Salah promotes love and brotherhood among Muslims. It teaches equality between all classes and castes. It makes no difference between poor and rich, ruler and subject, as well as high and low. Salah is a practical lesson of Islam to abolish the man-made concept of the basis of caste and color. Dear brothers, it is pity that we are unaware of the importance of Salah. Our mosques are empty and we roam around uselessly. The majority of Muslim society is away from mosque. Here I conclude my speech. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.